SBA Publications.
Hello everyone. I hope that you all are doing good today. I, Vinita Nautiyal, is going to teach you your chapter number 20, that is wordplay. Students, in this chapter, we will not actually play with the words, but I'll tell you some types of the words. Okay? So get ready with me to learn that. Homophones. Some words sound alike but have different spelling, different meanings. Such words are called homophones. Students, they want to tell you actually that some words at the time of speaking seems like same, but they both have their different meanings. So that kind of words will call homophones. For example, ant, and ant. The spelling is different of both the word, and meaning of both the word is also different, but they are same at the time of speaking. Okay? Hair and hair. As you can see the picture, they both have the different meanings, but they are seems like same in the listening. Scent, scent, dear, dear. Break, break, fair, fair. Flower, floor. Ant, hole, hole. No, no. Male, male. Piece, piece. Plane, plane. Clear? So, these are the words that are seems like same in the speaking, but they have the different meaning, different spellings, and these kinds of words used to call homophones. Okay? Next, complete these sentences with the correct word from the pair given in the bracket. I love the dash of green grass. So here it will be, I love the scent of green grass. Okay? We will write here SCENT. Clear? In the same way, you can also solve rest of the part of this question. Now we are moving towards the opposites. Look at the following pictures and read the words. Here are some pictures, that is young boy and an old man. Happy face and a sad face. Small and a big fish. Okay? Next we have here question C, match the columns. As first one is big. So we will match the word big with the small. Clear? In the same way, you people can also solve rest of the options of this question. And next we have synonyms. Synonyms means words that are similar in the meaning called synonyms. For example, small can be synonyms of little. As I hope, big can be synonyms of large. They are basically telling you that on the behalf of some words we can use the another same words of like that, and these kinds of word will comes in the category of synonyms. Okay? And here we have choose the correct synonyms of underlined words from the bracket. The sum is so hard. So we will use the synonyms difficult for that. This toy bear is so fluffy. So we can use the synonyms soft with that. Okay? In the same way, you people can also do. Next we have compound words. The words which is made up by joining two or more words is called the compound words. Okay? As blackboard. So it will be black is a one word and board is another one word. When we are joining, they are making a new word, that is blackboard. In the same way, classroom, dustbin, playground, bedroom, jellyfish, handband, milkshake, cupboard, strawberry, and all. Okay? Now this is your question number D, that is match the columns and write the compound words on the given lines. That is snow. So now we have to check that snow will get matched with the man. So answer will be here snow man. Clear? In the same way, you people can also solve rest of the part of this question. I hope that all the types of the words has been clear to you, whether it will be the synonyms or homophones or compound and many more. Keep on doing the practice. As you will do the practice, the concept will become more clear to you. I'll meet you in your next class with your new interesting topics. Meanwhile, take care of yourself. Goodbye.